Hello everyone, I'm Robin from final year BCom in Dr. SNS Rajagakshmi College of Arts and Science. I'm going to present the topic about advertising in e-commerce. Come on, let's move to the first slide. Yes, what is e-commerce advertising? Yes, e-commerce advertising is the act of placing paid content on online or offline property. Online properties includes a website, search engine, social media network, podcast, newsletters, or other interactive online property such as chat or instant messaging. This offline property include more traditional form of advertising such as TV sport, radio, commercial, out-of-home advertising, direct mail, campaigns, and more. Then we move to the second slide. Types of e-commerce advertising. There are many different types of online advertising such as display advertising, search engine marketing and optimization, social media, native advertising, pay-per-click, remarketing, video ads, programmatic advertising, and mobile advertising. Display advertising. Yes, display advertising is a type of online paid advertising, typically using images and text. The most popular form of display ads are banners, landing pages, and pop-ups. Display ads are different from the other ads because they do not show up in search results. Most commonly, display ads are found on websites and blogs to redirect the user's attention to the company's product. Working together with remarketing display ads can have great success. According to Digital Information World, website visitors who are retargeted with display ads are 70% are more likely to convert on your website. Second one, search engine marketing and optimization. Search engine marketing and search engine optimization are two types of online advertising that promote content and increase visibility through searches. Search engine marketing. Instead of paying for an actual ad, advertising pays each time users to click on the ad to their website. Business benefit by gaining specific information about their market. Search engine optimization. To gain a higher rank in search engine result, advertisers use various SEO tactics such as linking, targeting, keywords, and meta descriptions, and creating high-level content that other sites will link to. While SEM is paid strategy, SEO is organic marketing. It's sort of type of online advertising. You can learn more about SEO in this article. Third one, social media. People spend an average of 2 hours and 33 minutes per day on social media. According to TechJury, Facebook is the most popular at an average of 2 hours and 24 minutes per day, while Instagram average 53 minutes per day. Much of this usage is mobile as well. There is no doubt the social media advertising just keeps growing and growing each year. Consider this number. There are 1.65 billion active mobile social accounts globally with 1 million new active mobile social users added every day. According to the Hotsuite social media advertising statistics, social media budget have doubled worldwide from $16 billion to $31 billion in the past 2 years alone. Fourth one, native advertising. Have you ever noticed those sponsored ads at the bottom of blog or FB posts? There can be other recommended readings or other people like with suggested examples for users to click on. This is native advertising. Fifth one, PPC, that means pay per click. Pay per click ads explain their concept right in the name. These ads are advertised only pay for when users click on them, which contributes to the strength of PPC as a tool. If the ad was seen by 100 people and only one person clicked the ad, the cost of ad resolves solely around the one who clicked PPC ads. PPC ads are usually text with a small image if at all. Keep in mind that 64.6% of people click Google ads when they are looking to buy an item in online. Sixth one, remarketing. Yes, remarketing is a type of online advertising that does exactly what it says it does. This cookie-based technology literally follows the users around the internet to remarket him again. Statistics shows that only 2% of web traffic converts on their first visit, which means 98% of users leave without converting right away. These users are targeted once they leave the website by seeing the subtitle hints, reminding them about their previous interest. Seventh one, video ads. Yes, video ads are growing in popularity, especially with the younger generation of consumers. BI Intelligence reported that digital video will reach nearly $5 billion in ad revenue and with the highest average click-through rate 1.84% of any digital format in 2016. And the stats don't lie, 55% of consumers view videos in their entirety while 43% want to see more video content from the market. With the YouTube being the number one platform for videos, they have already implemented video ad strategies for their users. Using the PPC method, business only pay when someone engages with an ad. With targeting analytic and customization, business are flocking the video ad genre. HubSpot reports that 48% of market plan to add YouTube to their content strategy in the next year. 8th one, programmatic advertising. Touted as the future of ad buying, this trend is gaining some serious momentum. Programmatic advertising helps to automate the decision-making process for the buying advertisement. Programmatic advertising aims to eliminate human errors that plug ads, therefore making the whole ad buying process efficient. It achieves the former by targeting specific audience and demographics. And the final one, mobile advertising. According to eMarketer, the number of smartphone users worldwide will exceed 2 billion by the end of 2016. With e-commerce companies heavily relying on the mobile users and with a consumers base that is growing by the minute, we doubt mobile advertising will be outdated at any time soon. Mobile advertisement aren't the new have been a part of digital marketing industry since the inception of smartphones. And then we move to the next slide. Advantages of e-commerce. First one, your customers are on the internet. Do you know anyone who doesn't use the internet? The fact that is so ubiquitous is so probably the most compelling reason to get on the board. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn give you opportunities to put your products or services in the front of potential customers. The Google Display Network is a true advertising behemoth with more than 2 million publisher sites on which you can advertise. Second one, target customers effectively. Imagine you could take a snapshot of your best customer and duplicate him 100 times. With look-alike audiences on social media platform, you almost can. Facebook and similar networking channels have trove of demographics they are shared with advertisers. So you can home in on users who are the most likely to purchase your products. Third one, you can closely monitor spending. You can spend thousands of dollars on 30-second television ad that might reach someone who might be interested in what you have to sell someday. You can also spend thousands of dollars on internet ads and only pay when people who are interested in your product click on your ad. With digital ads, you can set a spending cap and limit the number of times prospective customers see an ad in a given period. Fourth one, you can track your results. Digital advertising allows you to monitor and track the result of all your campaigns. You can find out when a lead converted into a sale, note a platform where it happened, and determine what kind of ads are working best of a particular demographic. And we move to the disadvantages of e-commerce. First one, it's complicated. There are lots of choices when it comes to advertising on the internet. You can choose search advertising, so your ads show up when your target audience is looking for just what you offer on displays that appear when you are most likely prospectors roam on the internet. Second one, mistakes can be costly. Because digital advertising is complicated, it's not uncommon for business to make mistakes. Choose the wrong keywords, neglect a binding cap, target ineffectively, or leaving a campaign running when you thought it was off. And you can spend a fortune without turning a single lead into a sale. Ready, set, sell. There are many types of e-commerce advertising strategies and network. You can take advantage of this. It's an exhaustive list. Remember that e-commerce advertising doesn't exist a vacuum. You all want to find a healthy balance between utilizing paid channels and own marketing channels that provide you more control over the customer experience. As your business continues to grow, so will the cost of customer acquisition on paid channels. E-commerce business have several marketing tools at their disposal. Using digital and inbound marketing just the right way, you can create campaigns that are designed to help you on online store, attract customers and grow better. Thank you.